So we're in the WordPress dashboard. Under plugins, you'd see the first section is install plugins. Here you can see all the plugins available for you to activate. And at the top, there's some suggested plugins, right? Something like Jetpack is a really good plugin. You'd see where it says deactivate under plugin name, like Bluehost, means that the actual plugin is activated at the moment. We use plugins for a lot of different things in WordPress. You can almost do anything with a plugin, right? You've got a lot of free plugins, like thousands, and you've got a lot of paid for plugins. And sometimes the free ones are just as good or better than some of the paid ones. Anyway, let me give you an example of plugin. Let's look at, for example, the Bluehost plugin. Right? If I click on this coming soon section, my coming soon page is handled by the Bluehost plugin. So you see here we're in the Bluehost plugin section, and here you can launch your site. You can even have little sections that take you to new page add-ins or manage categories, for example. So Bluehost provides this automatically when you install WordPress. This is not standard with WordPress.